Welcome back to Coding Escape Steam House. This was the first escape room game to ever be launched, I believe, and it was launched as an event. Space Base LC-127, 3rd of July 2054. Disaster hit in the winter of 2035. Since then, the Earth has become uninhabitable, and hundreds of agents have taken refuge in our space base. Okay. One goal: retrace the sequence of events that led to this planetary catastrophe, understand what went wrong, and save the world. It's taken them 20 years of hard work, but our talented scientists and engineers have developed a process that can curve space and time, allowing physical objects to time travel. Unfortunately, the human body has proved unable to withstand the distortion of space. The only solution was to build a robot that could survive such a journey. The robot is now ready. Timelines. We're getting close. After analyzing past events, we've been able to identify the series of incidents that lead us to disaster. To restore peace, we need to go back to where it all started. We're currently able to travel back in time as observers, but we can't make any permanent changes. Our engineers are working on developing the technology that would allow us to stabilize alterations. They'll be able to finish the prototype once they have all the necessary parts. So that they can stabilize timeline changes, our engineering team needs to develop a D-Brains stabilizer. Many great minds have tried. In fact, towards the end of the 19th century, one engineer was on the verge of succeeding. You must infiltrate his workshop and help him finalize his creation. Fire up the machine and help him... Okay, whatever. Story was not important. Alright, let's begin. Okay, we've got a lot on the screen. So, where to begin? Start with magnifying glasses. Oh, these. Oh, okay. Is this just something we can toggle? This is just a clicking puzzle. What are we trying to do? Okay, so we're trying to get Steam to... somewhere. I didn't understand what we were supposed to do, so we turned off all this. I mean, just toggling all of these would have turned off the steam, wouldn't it? Did we just want to turn off the steam? I didn't really understand that one. Okay. This generator must power the machine. HM. Hours and minutes. Oh, okay, so it's like 20 hours. 19 minutes. 2019. 2019. Is there a clock for us to enter? Alright, let's try this. This old book about Leonardo da Vinci's work contains a coded message on the last page. Okay. What kind of... 773322. This looks like a... something to do with numpad or a digipad or like one of those rotary phones or something. Because it only goes up to 9 and it doesn't include 0. Right. Oh, speaking of rotary phones. Ah, okay. Okay. Wait, what am I doing? Alright, either we do this by hand or we just write down the translation. I think we could just say, just do something like this. Translation equals, 0 goes to hash, 1 goes to ABC, 2 goes to DEF, 3 goes to HI, 4 goes to JKL, 5 goes to MNO, 6 goes to PQR, okay, so that's that, and then we for token in say code.split. So we take a token and we say result.append, so it's going to be trans. Just take the first character of token to find the corresponding segment, this corresponding number. Well, that's gonna have to be like int, I guess. No. Turn it into an int. Alright, and then once we've got that, we need to take the nth character, where n is basically the length token minus 1. So if it's 2, we want to take 0, 1. Okay. Now what? Okay. Well, we probably don't need to return it. Just the code to open my telephone box is 6239. Telephone box. There we go. Twenty 2019. We know that. Oh. Oh, back in time. Gotta go back in time. Let's just play around in the present first. Alright, what else can we do? We've got clocks. We've got Paris. 2:50 in Paris. 1:37 in New York. 3 a.m. in London. Those times don't seem right. Can set this gauge between 0 and 1000. 0 and 10,000. Dimensions, universe, strings. 0 and 1000. Okay. And we've got something on the ground here. What is that? We've got Eiffel Tower, Statue of Liberty, Big Ben, Big Ben. Oh. So it's Paris, New York, London, London, Paris, New York, London. Paris, Paris. What? But we don't want to just sum these times together, do we? Maybe we do. Like, make some notes here. So it wouldn't matter what order we sum them in. Is this really for the clock? In which case it would just be like 4 Paris, 2 New Yorks, 2 Big Ben, even though that's technically not Big Ben. Big Ben is the building adjacent to it, isn't it? I don't know. That's just called like the clock tower. So if I would do that, then we would have... I don't know about this. I mean, we don't need to, we can do this by eye. So if we're just multiplying this by 4, it would be, what, 8, and this would be 200, which would correspond to 20 minutes, because you're doing clock arithmetic. Yeah. So we end up with 820. And New York be 214. London would be 6 o'clock. So if you add those together, you get 1634. but you need to account for the hours. Hang on. What are we actually trying to do here? This... Oh, I see. Okay. Alright, start again. So, Paris is, let's just convert it all to minutes first. So it's like... 120, 170. We should code this. Alright, no, we can just do it by hand. That's 170. New York is... 97. And London is 180. Alright, and then we take 4 times... That's 4 times... 4 times 170 plus 2 times 97 plus 2 times 180. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2034, yeah, because you don't, because I wasn't accounting for the carry. There we go. As many rectangular as green. 3 red buttons. Four-sided. Twice as many four-sided as six-sided. No green button. So basically no rectangular buttons either. A total of 17 sides. And the shapes. So no green buttons and no rectangular buttons. That leaves... I can barely see it. The hexagon. That's a triangle, that's a square. Okay, so no rectangular. No... What color is that? I'll assume it's green. No green. We need 17 sides. So let's assume we were to... Oh, we need 3 red. So it's gotta be these 3. Technically, those are rectangular. Technically. So we pick 3 red. Of course, we picked 2 4-sided. We need 17 sides altogether, so it's 6, 10, 14. So just add 1 triangle to the mix. There we go. What's going on up here? 8? No, B? B 3 5 1. B? Was that 8? It must be 8. 8 3 5 1. Eight 3 5 1. Does that go in somewhere? That's 1,000. That's between that and 1,000. That's 10,000. So if anything, it would be this one. Alright, I think we've done everything we need to here. For now. Gotta go back in time. So we are now 1480. Now we've got 1833. Alright. We've got this with 3, 2, 2, 1. Yeah? Every letter is doubled. Four-letter password. The Vitruvian number. The first element is 23, the second element is 42. All of the following elements are the sum of the 2 previous elements, from which 1 is subtracted if this sum is even. The Vitruvian number would correspond to this 30th element of this sequence. Okay. So Vitruvian number is the 30th. Alright, so let's say define vit of n. So if n equals, so the first number is 23. Second number is 42. So otherwise, we take the sum of the previous two elements and then subtract 1 if it's even. Okay. Print vit 30. Or return okay. What was it anyway? We can't execute, whatever. Looks like it was 2858941. The generator's repaired in the workshop. Go back. What's that? 2858941. Okay. Oh, I remember there was a major bug in this. I think it was this puzzle, and I complained about it to the devs, but they didn't. I don't think they fixed it. So I might run into the same bug again. We'll see. All right. Calibrated the gears in such a way to reveal the solution only on November 13, 2150. Counterweight to be removed in grams. So, hang on. So right now there is 12 grams, okay? No. How many grams are there right now? Some counterweight is already present. I can choose how much weight to remove. So if you remove a gram, you're going 1 month forward. Because it says a gram means you go 1 month back. So removing a gram is 1 month forward. So right now it's pointing to 13th November to 150. And each gram we remove pushes it 1 month forward. And the date... Wait. Yeah, but we want to move the date back, don't we? Is this what the complaint was I had before? You're removing... Let's assume they've written this incorrectly. They actually mean each gram means 1 month forward. So we are able to go to 13th, yeah, because it's 13th, isn't it? So we are able to go to 1310 1895. So that is 255 years back. And 1 month. Okay. So that's... times 255 and one more is 3061. So yeah, this is worded weird. It says if you've got 12 grams, then it'll be 12 months earlier. But why are you now removing weight from this counterweight? You're putting weight on the counterweight. Yeah, it's just badly worded. What was the answer I got? 3061? Is it just 3061 then? One, 1, 5, 6. One, 1, 5, 6. Does that go into like here or something? That's the universal universal constant. We want to find the dimensions on the strings. Okay. An encryption method he has developed in order to communicate with his friends discreetly. Here's the protocol. Shift each letter by 3 positions. Double each letter. Reverse the message. Okay. So... let's undo this. So starting from... so first we say code equals code back to front. That reverses it, and then we can say code equals, you can just do two. Would that take every second? Yeah. In fact, if you did -2, no, let's not get complicated. So yeah, so that is V, Q, R, L. All right. And then so we take odd, so that turns it into a number. Let's say minus odd of A, just brings it to 0. And then we want to move it back 3 letters. -3. Then 26. And then that number plus the odd A to bring it back into the ASCII space, and then turn that whole thing into a letter. One hundred and 115 dimensions. 115. Okay. Strings. We've got a number over here. I don't know what that is for. We haven't done anything with these paintings. we've got this, but I don't see anything which uses this. Or letter password. Is it to do with the color of the frame? So like this one is dark all around, which would correspond to... But none of these are dark all around. What? Was it light at the bottom? But even that doesn't work. Or is it light on the right-hand side? I mean, it's not... I don't know. Let's say it's light on the bottom and the right. So that will correspond to the first square. And it's a 3, so it'll be C. And then the next one is dark at the top, I guess. And here it's questionable, so it's a 2. So it'll be E. And then this one is... What? Alright, let's assume it's light on the top and right. So it would be a T. C-E-T. And then this one is light on the bottom and the right. So it'd be this one, wouldn't it? An A. Theta. I don't think that first letter is correct then. This one doesn't make sense. Am I sure about... Could it be Theta? I don't... This first painting, I can't tell what color each of these frame parts are. That doesn't make any sense. If we just take a letter, the third letter from each, it'd be Theta, Theta, Ieta, Leta, Eta, Reta, Weta, etc. Let's say Theta. I don't know. Because that's the word. Well, let's try what I actually had. That's not a word, though. 1 or 2 characters must still be incorrect. So Theta was more correct. So C is probably correct then. E? You can't tell with this. What? This is a terrible puzzle. That looks like it's like wooden. And these are metal. I think that's what they're getting at. So that is an E. I'm pretty sure that's an E. This one. Oh, this is probably the middle. So it'd be an N. Senna. Okay. 4412. Huh. Was that better than what I did last time? That was a good one. Easy. Nice and easy. That was a warm-up problem, basically. That... Maybe I'll... I mean, I've got time. Maybe I'll just do the... Oh no, the last one takes longer. I'll leave that till next time. What did I... How fast did I do it last time? Seriously? I took 2 hours, 7 minutes, 18 seconds last time? And that still put me in the top 90%? I don't remember anything from then, but how did it take me so long? I don't know. Maybe they changed it. No. I don't think they really changed it. Alright. I think I remember getting stuck because of that weights puzzle, because it's just worded wrong. Like, you remove a counterweight, that kind of pushes it forwards, not back. But wait, what? 44 minutes puts me in the top 10%. But 2 hours, 7 minutes puts me in the top 90%? What? Was that just because of this? This was top 90%. Top... Oh, yeah, no, that's... I got my numbers mixed up. 10% is better than 90%. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Why did I do so badly last time? Did I take a break in between? Did I actually do it in one sitting? I can't remember. I streamed it as well. Did it? Or maybe... No, did I? Maybe I even have a video of it somewhere on YouTube. Doesn't matter. Interesting. Okay. So that's almost everything. Last one is to do it. Last one to do is this one, but so do... If they think it takes about 2 hours, and that might be about right, because then I'll leave it till next time then. So it was a mixed bag, really. These two are good. These are bad. These are bad. Basically, this whole these are one series, and they were just kind of badly. There were bad puzzles and just not well written. All it takes is one bad puzzle to make the whole thing bad, because it just, you get stuck on it. Sherlock was good. And I think this one is good too. This one has some like proper hard coding, but it's good, I believe. All right, then. That's it. See you next time.